Good morning, fam. Woke up feeling heavy in your shoulders, like you've been carrying the weight of everything, even while you slept? This morning, we're peeling that weight off, one stretch at a time. Let's hit the mat. Start by kneeling, big toes touching, knees wide. Stretch your arms forward and melt your hips back towards your heels. Let your forehead touch the floor. This is where we begin, not with strain, but surrender. I promise this pose calms the nervous system, gently lengthens the spine, and creates the stillness your body has been craving. Beginners, use a cushion under your chest or forehead for support. Advanced wishes, walk your fingers even further out and deepen the breath. This position stimulates the vagus nerve, which helps regulate stress. Try to exhale a little longer than you inhale and see what shifts. Now, gently roll your torso up. We're about to unravel some deeper tension. Come to all fours. Slide your right arm underneath your left arm, palm facing up until your right shoulder and temple rest on the ground. The stretch sneaks into the upper back and shoulders, right where tension loves to hide. I promise this move releases stuck fascia, reduces shoulder tightness, and resets spinal rotation. Beginners, keep the left hand grounded for support. Advanced wishes, reach the left hand toward the sky or wrap it behind your back. Do you feel that subtle shift behind your shoulder blade? 5 more seconds right here. Now press up gently because the left side is calling. Slide your left arm under your right this time. Let your temple drop and breathe into the twist. Notice the difference between your sides? That imbalance is why you need this. I promise loosening this tension here will ease headaches, improve mobility, and even support better posture throughout the day. Beginners, keep the movement small. Advanced wishes, play with extending the top arm for a deeper release. Keep breathing through it. You're not forcing, you're creating space. Ready to come forward and lift your heart? Lay flat on your stomach. Now place your elbows under your shoulders and lift your chest. This gentle back bend doesn't look like much, but it wakes up your spine from the inside out. I promise this opens the chest, supports spinal extension, and helps counteract hours of sitting. Beginners, keep elbows wide and lower down. Advanced wishes, press palms down and lift into seal pose for a stronger arch. Here's something wild. Just 60 seconds in this position has shown to improve mood and focus. Try it. Hold 5 more seconds. Now let's wrap it all up with something that opens the body and centers the breath. Sit or kneel tall. Clasp your hands behind your back and slowly draw them down while lifting through your heart. You've made it this far. Don't hold back. This final stretch is more than physical. It's a reset of posture, confidence, and breath. I promise this will reduce shoulder slouch, activate core alignment, and give you space to breathe deeper naturally. Beginners, keep arms low. Advanced wishes, fold forward while keeping the hands clasped and lifted. Can you hold this pose and take 3 full expansive breaths without collapsing? Good. Now exhale everything out. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset, weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.